Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I am going to show you something that I was like losing my mind, okay? Because I do a lot of designs that have multiple pages, and I could not find the um, where you use a color and then you want to change the color throughout the whole design. So the change all, I couldn't find it. It used to be down here in the left hand corner. Not anymore. Not at all. So I thought it was taken away, but I was on a call the other day and one of the Clubhouse members like, no, Bam, it's right here. And she told me, showed me, and I was like, wow. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys. All right. All right. So you're going to come into a design, right? And don't do what I did. This is what I did. I clicked on, and then up here, I clicked and changed the color, right? That's what I wanted to do. And then I clicked on see all. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. So I was like, oh God, what did I do wrong again? Well, I was doing something wrong. Okay. Yes, I feel you guys. There's a lot of extra steps, but you can always let them know. It's on the front page, on the left hand corner. Um, it it says feedback. So do the feedback. But anywho, okay, so we're gonna do this right. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this color. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these see all um arrows. Okay, I'm gonna click on the color, and then this whole thing opens up for me. So then I want to go and change, and see the change all came up. So I'm going to click on that, and there we have, let's go, it changed all the colors for me. Okay, so that's where it is, but it has to open up on this side panel, not come on, not right here, not with the hover. Okay, you want to open the two arrows, see all, um, color, and then this will pop open. Come on. And this will pop open. Let's see here. Um, Even if you are not, yeah, you're going to have to just trying to maneuver this. So, yeah. So just click on the color, and then the sidebar will come up. Okay, that's it. That's how you change all colors. Okay, thank you.